Hello friends, we are going to discuss the analysis of uh, toxic metals like toxic cations or anions. Like the one of the toxic metals or excess of iron. Uh, Iron is the Ap toxicity of iron. That is Ap2 plus is non toxic, but Ap3 plus is the toxic. This is non-toxic, this is the toxic. This is non-toxic, also toxic. Yeah, difference. The change in different oxidation state of iron to cause the toxicity of iron. Ap2 plus act as a non-toxic, but Ap3 plus act as a toxicity, and therefore the limit test for the analysis or test of iron is the uh, iron is estimated by using the quantitative as well as qualitative methods. The quantitative methods, quantitative methods and qualitative analysis. Qualitative analysis is the in quantitative method, the iron is estimated by different methods, by colorimetric. Second, also the iron is estimated by using potentiometry. Third, EV visible spectroscopy, uh, visible, or this is same colorimetric. Then uh, colorimetry, potentiometry, and uh, this is EAS, atomic absorption. These are the number of methods for ICP, intuitive coupled plasma spectroscopy. You can use the quantitative analysis of iron by using colorimetry, potentiometry, atomic absorption, or ICP, intuitive coupled plasma. Then the modern method is also the scanning electron microscope as a TM, tunneling microscope. Okay, these are also used for the analysis of iron. But in simple laboratory, the toxicity of iron you can also analyze by this qualitative analysis. Means the semi qualitative or qualitative analysis, that is the same microanalysis. Okay, here by using the specific reagent which are used for the estimation of iron. The reagents is like the anthranylic acid, anthranylic acid, or salicylic acid. Okay. Third, by using the potassium thiocyanate or NH4, ammonium thiocyanate. Okay. Uh, these are the reagent for is used for the analysis of iron. You can use both quantitative as well as qualitative methods for the analysis of iron. Here, the limit test for iron. The limit iron is based on the reaction of iron in the ammonical solution with the thiocalcolic acid in presence of citric acid to form a iron thioglycolate. Ferrous thioglycolate complex, which produces a pale pink or to deep reddish purple color in the alkaline medium. The thioglycolic acid is used as a reducing agent. For example, is Ap2 plus react with thioglycolic acid is CH2S and CH COOH. This is the thioglycolic acid. Thioglycolic acid is used as a reagent to form a complex. That is, this is act as a bidentate chelating agent, and then to form CHS and C. Okay, H. This is to form a thioglycolic acid complex. That is to form a ferrous. Here, okay, number of 2 minus and 2H plus. Here also sulfur is present. That is to form a neutral complex 2H plus. To form a this color of the ferrous thioglycolate complex fades in the presence of air due to oxidation. Also, the color is destroyed in presence of oxidizing agents and strong alkalis. The purple color is developed. The purple color is developed only in the alkaline medium, and so ammonia solution is used, but the ammonia reacts with iron, forms a precipitate of iron hydroxide. That is the excess of ammonia to form a ferric hydroxide, red precipitate, and therefore thus the citric acid is used, which prevents the precipitate of iron with ammonia by forming the complex with iron as a iron citrate. Okay, and so this precipitate is dissolved by the citric acid, or to prevent the precipitate of by using the citric acid, and therefore citric acid is used in the thioglycolic methods. Okay, and therefore this is the principle of the Ap2 plus ions react with the thioglycolic acid in presence of citric acid. The procedure is the sample which are containing the iron, then dissolve in his specified amount of water, and then volume is made up to the appropriate at 50 ml. Okay, then add 2 ml 2 ml to 20% citric acid. Okay, then which are free from the iron, then add the 2 drops of thioglycolic acid, which are used as a reagent for the coloration, and then add ammonical solution because the purple color is developed in presence of basic medium. Uh, so the color is developed uh, is viewed in vertical or compared with standard solutions, and then color is purple color is color developed, and then is measured by the colorimetric method. Colorimetric method, or to identify the iron which are present in the drug samples. Same, you have to prepare the standard compound, 2 ml standard solution of iron which are diluted with water up to the 50 ml. Then add same reagents, 2 ml 20% citric acid, 2 drops of thioglycolic acid and ammoniacal solution. So you what the purple color develop is viewed, and to this color is measured by the colorimetric methods, and this is the very simple method for the limit test for the iron. One more method is again you can also use the potassium thiosulfate or ammonium thiosulfate for the estimation of iron from the drug samples, and is this uh, color of the iron and ammonium thiosulfate or potassium thiosulfate is estimated by using the colorimetric methods. This is very both potassium thiosulfate, ammonium thiosulfate, or also the thioglycolic acid or anthranilic salicylic acid method is also used for the analysis of iron. This is very simple methods for the analysis of iron. Thank you.